Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a super glam, kind of like smoky eye, red lipstick type of look. I always laugh at myself. I have actually added a little gloss from NYX after I finished, as I was just taking some pictures for Instagram. I just put on the Red Velvet Butter Gloss from NYX. So that's not the main lipstick I used at the end, so you guys will be able to see that this is probably different to the one before, as I just added it on top to just make it a little bit glossy. It was supposed to be a matte look, but why not? Why not? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. This is a little bit of a shorter video than my previous video, as I wanted to do something a little bit more in depth and something that will take you guys literally 5 minutes to learn. It's the easiest eye look to do. It's literally 1, 2, 3 eyeshadows, which most makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes have. So yeah, let's go into the video. I feel like this could be my thing. I'm so cringe. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to apply my trusty Eden Primer by Urban Decay. I apply this straight from the spatula onto my eyelid. I draw a line underneath my eyebrow, and then I just wipe it all over my lid. If you want a full depth in tutorial on that, then you can go over to my previous video and look at that. Just going to pat that in with my ring finger. I'm then going to take the Maybelline Matte Master powder and just set my eyelid. Once I've done that, I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm taking this shadow here. Taking a Zoeva 227 brush and just applying that shade into my crease. I'm taking a blending brush from Zoeva called 221 Luxe Soft Crease, and I am taking this soft brown from the palette. I'm just going to soften that. That palette is super pigmented. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is a Spectrum blending brush. And I'm just going to run back and forth on the top part of my crease. Just to get rid of any harsh lines. After that's our second colour, I'm then going to take this brown from the palette and I'm going to cover our lid. I'm going to take this naked brush, the fluffy side. Actually, do you know what? We can take the flat side on my brush like this, and I'm just going to pat the pigment onto the lid, only onto where my lid is. Make sure you get into the lash line as well, we don't want any white lines. So you basically want something like this. And then we're going to use that brush that we use for our crease, and we're just going to slightly soften back and forth in those harsh lines. So this is my signature smoky eye look. Don't usually use this palette, but I thought I'd do something different. You see that the pigment has softened now with that dark brown, but I am now going to go back in with that same dark brown, and I'm just going to press back over. Well, we may have lost some of the pigment whilst we have been blending. And then I'm going to go back with that blending brush, and again we're just going to blend back and forth. That's the thing about a smoky eye, it takes a lot of blending. So get comfy, get a cup of tea or a cocktail for going out. And now you guys can understand why I do my eyes first. I'm just running back and forth with my big blending brush that I use for our outer crease, just to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended. Again, going back in to bring our colour back in. Again. We want like a harsh colour on the lid, but not in the crease. We want that to be super blended. Like so. I'm then going to go on to the other side, and I'm going to time lapse this one. So again, this is the shape we want before we go in with our blending brush. For me, I prefer to use a brown instead of a black for a smoky eye, as it's not so harsh and it also looks nicer, especially if you have like a lighter eye colour like myself, as it looks super nice. You can see that this brush is now turned from orange to brown. Like so. It's actually really quick and easy to do that part of the eye. I'm now going to go and do my skin and my eyebrows off of camera, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I have just gone ahead and done my eyebrows and my base. I am now going to finish my eyes and add some lashes. So what the next step is obviously rounding the eye and doing the underneath. Grab my short stubby blank canvas brush, and I'm going to go back in with that first shade that we used, the orange. I'm just going to run that under my eye. Some people like to do their under eye before they do their base, but for me, I like to conceal under my eye, so I need to like get quite far up there. want to join it at the end as well. We want to get a clean brush, dip into that soft brown that we used to blend our crease, and just use that to soften our blend. The thing about this look is it's all about kind of being blended and smoky, sultry. Right, and then I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to go back into that dark brown shade that we used for the lid, and I'm going to try and go as close as possible to my lash line. Just running back and forth. And you don't want to go like too close to the inner corner. You want it to be a nice blend. Go back in with that blending brush and I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that light brown shade on again and just run back and forth so it blends it all together. You can just check if there's any harsh lines and just blend them out and round our eye off. There we go. And then I'm going to add a dark brown liner to my waterline and my lash line. This is the same one I used in my last video. It's the Urban Decay Waterline in Rail. Love this. Those faces that we pull. What you can also do as well is, if you don't want to go matte on the look, you can always make it a little bit glittery and sparkly. You can add some like brown Urban Decay Moon Dust. They're really, really nice on top of this this look, and we'll just stack some shimmer on top. I am just going to use the first shade in this palette to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. To be fair, I'm not going to do my inner corner actually on this look, but we do need the brow bone to pop. And then I could put on some brow gel. I'm going to use the Urban Decay one today. And then I'm just going to put some mascara on my lashes. Again, I'm going to use that Eyeko one that I used in my last tutorial. because it works with the lashes. Let's put on some big lashes. I am going to apply the Doll Beauty lashes in Esmerelda. I'm going to go off camera and do this. I've gone ahead and applied my lashes. It's poking me in the eye. And I'm now going to apply a red lip. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a red lip liner. I have no clue where this is from actually. MUA actually. Sharpen that. We're going all out for this night out that we're going on. I'm then going to apply a liquid lipstick from Ofra. This is probably my favourite red lipstick that I own. It's super long lasting and it feels really light on the lips. This is in the shade Brickle. I'm then going to apply some setting spray, obviously all nighter setting spray. Don't forget to shake it to wake it, as some of you found that funny in my last video. I'm now going to do my hair and I'll be back. So I'm back and I have literally just slicked all my hair up and changed my top, ready for my night out. I feel like I look a bit like I should be in like a spy movie or something. I don't know about you guys. I could be like Catwoman or something. Maybe not. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot shorter than my previous one. I wanted to just I just wanted to focus on the eyes in this video, as my base is pretty much the same every day because I found a base that really works for me. I will be trying out some foundations and stuff for you guys, and any products that you would love me to try, then please let me know. I wish that I had somewhere to go right now, but I don't. It's just great. I'm just gonna be taking this off and going for a run now, so yeah. I'll link everything down in the description bar for you guys if you're interested in any of the products that I used today. And yeah, I hope if anyone does recreate this, then please do tag me on Instagram. It's Nataliekatiex and I'm sure to repost it. And yeah, hope you guys are having a great quarantine week. I'm on week 8, so 7 or 8, one of them. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.